To the south of Madeira Island, there is the Garajau Partial Nature Reserve, which was created in 1986 to prevent the progressive desertification of the seabed along the coast of Madeira Island. It was the first exclusively marine reserve to be created in Portugal, having been proposed by a group of diving lovers who recognized the importance of the natural heritage of that place. This protected area, due to its geographic location and mainly due to its biological richness and transparent and clean waters, presents great aptitude for use from a recreational, educational, and scientific point of view. It is an area where the practice of diving is dynamic and works as a strong attraction for the movement of countless amateur divers to the region. Imagine a place where the grace of marine species, of all colors, sizes, and shapes, joins an unusual landscape. Garajau Natural Reserve has become one of the most iconic places in the archipelago for wildlife lovers. Marked by the crystalline waters of the Atlantic. Not by chance, it is one of the most popular places to practice diving, whether by professionals or amateurs. Among the vast fauna that can be observed at Ponta do Garajau, some large fish stand out, which delight divers and aficionados of aquatic photography. Here you can find species such as the grouper. The clarity of the waters of the partial natural reserve of Garajau makes it possible to observe its biodiversity, which makes it an attractive place from a recreational point of view, a natural corner where wildlife reigns. In this nature reserve, we find a huge variety of fish of all sizes and multiple colors. In this protected area where the big groupers are the main attraction for any diver, it is common to find giant rays flying like birds. In the deeper areas, we can find a vast area of sand, can usually find schools of small fish called roncadors and sailmars. Sometimes we can see large amberjacks and schools of barracudas that pass by in search of sardines. From August 2022, the fishing of two species was expressly prohibited, namely the dogfish and the groupers. Among the protection of the rocks, we find some species such as Murray eels, furavasos, and some octopuses. We can find rays along the sand trying to find food or simply flying in front of us like a bird. Next to the sand, we always find a resident grouper named Elvis who delights us with her presence and lets us approach to capture images both in photography and video. The cuttlefish. This wonderful species that fascinates any diver with its dance, we usually find in the shallower areas of the Garajau, where they feel more protected and away from the groupers, as they are part of their diet. Generally go alone or in pairs. Hermit crab usually lives among rocks. In the clear waters of Garajau, we find the nudibranch, tiny creatures that crawl along the ocean floor, making the delights of photographers for the perfect shot. The monk seal is another species that regularly appears in the waters of Garajau. It is always a source of joy for any diver who likes to record great moments and beautiful images. This is a protected species on Madeira Island. We can find them on the south coast of Madeira.